Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to customize Shopify theme code refresh. Let's get started. So take note that this method actually works on a lot of themes that we have on our Shopify and not just on refresh theme, but for tutorial's sake, let's do this on refresh theme. So what we can do is we can click on this three dots right here, and in here you can see two options related to coding. And in here you can click on this edit code right here. So in here, you can see in here that we have loaded in here our code. So you can edit this code and you can see in here the theme.liquid. So this is the liquid code for our actual theme. So you can edit it out however you want, but you need to be really knowledgeable to coding in order to edit it out or just have a little knowledge for this. And once you have done editing everything, just head over and click on this save option right here in order to save the progress for the code that you have done in this one. So you can also click on this preview store right here in order to see what the changes that you have added has made for your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.